So today we're going to be talking about flood zones in Florida. And what does that mean? What about insurance? All the things. This is Heather Denaro helping you find your best beach life. Stay tuned. So when we talk about flood zones in Florida, basically the whole state is at sea level, so everywhere is a flood zone. Now it's just the level of risk in that category that helps you determine whether you need flood insurance, even if the government doesn't say you do. So let's talk about the zones. Designated zones of B, C, and X are zones with less than 1% chance of flooding, whether from rain or hurricanes or whatnot. So because those zones are lower risk, you are not required by the government, which is FEMA, to carry their flood insurance. What that offers you is the ability to be able to carry your own flood insurance at a much lower cost to you. In our area, at this time of the video, you're generally talking around $600 a year to carry extra flood insurance if you're not in a designated FEMA flood zone. What happens if you're in a designated FEMA flood zone? What does that look like? Well, those zones are labeled A and V. V is in Victor. And in those zones, they're, again, varying degrees, so your insurance will be varying in cost. And those are considered high risk. They could be as low as $2,000 a year on up. It just depends on the proximity to the water, where the house or the property is built in relation to the sea level. If you're building a house, you can build up on a stem wall, you can get above that designation zone. There are different things that you can do, but if you're purchasing property that's already there, then that's what you're looking at. Your realtor can take a peek at that property and find out its flood zone designation for you. You can also Google it and check the FEMA flood maps yourself. But be sure to obtain your insurance quotes from the seller or from your insurance agent during your due diligence period so that you can be fully aware of what you're getting into. Again, the closer you are to the coastline, the more expensive it'll be. But if the house is built correctly, it's totally worth it. So I hope this has helped you understand a little bit more about how flood zones are designated here in Florida and what that might mean to you in purchasing your property. Don't forget to look in the description below for more information. You can follow Instagram for more of this beautiful lifestyle, or you can check more videos out. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or just a comment. All right, this has been Heather Denaro helping you find your best beach life. Bye for now.